Hello and welcome to JoinLife, your partner in discovering the healing power of everyday foods. Let me ask you something. Have you ever heard of a plant so powerful it's called the miracle tree? A tree whose leaves, pods, seeds and even roots are packed with nutrients, antioxidants and healing properties. Well, that plant is Moringa, and today we're uncovering why this humble tree is turning heads across the health world, from ancient Ayurveda to modern science. So before you overlook it as just another herbal supplement, let's explore the science-backed benefits of Moringa and how adding it to your routine can make a real difference. But first, before we dive into the health benefits, let's take a quick look at the nutritional profile of Moringa. According to the USDA and multiple clinical sources, moringa leaves are exceptionally nutrient-dense. Do you know just 100 grams of dried moringa leaf powder is a good source of protein, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, potassium, which is good for heart and muscle health, magnesium, fiber, which is excellent for digestion, plus dozens of phytonutrients, polyphenols, and all 9 essential amino acids. That's why it's not just a superfood. It's considered a complete food. Now, without further ado, let's explore the amazing health benefits of moringa and how you can include it in your daily diet to harness its healing potential. First of all, moringa helps fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases, from heart issues to arthritis and even cancer. Moringa leaves contain isothiocyanates, powerful compounds that naturally reduce inflammation in your body. Studies have found them as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs, minus the side effects. Add 1 teaspoon of moringa powder to your smoothies, soups, or warm water with lemon daily. Second, moringa supports blood sugar control. If you're diabetic or borderline, moringa may help. Clinical trials have shown that moringa leaves reduce blood glucose levels, thanks to plant compounds like chlorogenic acid and isothiocyanates. It can also improve insulin sensitivity. Drink moringa tea between meals or take 1 to 2 capsules of dried leaf extract daily after consulting a doctor. Third, moringa is a powerful antioxidant. Free radicals damage cells and speed up aging and disease. Moringa is rich in quercetin, beta-carotene, and vitamin C, antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress, protect your skin, and keep your organs healthy. Mix moringa leaf powder with yogurt or curd and consume as a mid-morning snack. Fourth, moringa helps reduce cholesterol levels. Like oats and flax seeds, moringa has been shown to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and improve HDL, good cholesterol levels. This directly reduces your risk of heart disease. How to consume? Include moringa leaf powder in your dal, curries, or sprinkle on cooked vegetables regularly. Fifth, moringa protects liver health. Your liver processes everything: toxins, medications, and nutrients. Moringa contains high amounts of polyphenols and antioxidants that protect the liver from damage, especially in those with fatty liver or exposure to environmental toxins. Take 1 teaspoon moringa powder with warm water on an empty stomach or use it in detox juices. Sixth, moringa boosts brain function and mental clarity. With compounds that cross the blood-brain barrier, moringa is being studied for its neuroprotective effects. It may help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety and even support memory and learning, thanks to its antioxidant and iron content. Mix moringa powder in warm milk or almond milk at night for a calming bedtime drink. Seventh, moringa helps detoxify the body. Moringa's natural compounds like glucosinolates aid the liver's detoxification enzymes, helping flush out heavy metals, toxins, and environmental pollutants from the body. Use moringa in green smoothies or morning detox water with lemon and mint. Eighth, moringa is a natural energy booster. Feeling fatigued all the time? Moringa's iron and magnesium-rich profile help combat tiredness and fatigue by supporting oxygen circulation and energy production in cells. Add moringa to your breakfast oats or make an energy bar using moringa, dates, and seeds. 9th, moringa supports hormonal balance. For women, moringa helps regulate estrogen and progesterone naturally. It also eases PMS symptoms, supports fertility, and may ease menopausal discomfort. Take moringa leaf tea daily or consume moringa capsules after food. 10th, moringa strengthens immunity. With its impressive vitamin C, zinc, and antimicrobial compounds, moringa helps your body fight off infections and keeps your immune system strong all year round. Start your day with moringa tea or sprinkle powder into your soups and salads. Bonus tip: moringa for skin and hair health. Topically, moringa oil can reduce acne, delay signs of aging, and deeply moisturize the skin. For hair, it strengthens follicles, prevents dandruff, and improves overall scalp health. Apply cold-pressed moringa oil to your face at night, or massage your scalp once a week. Who should avoid or be cautious with moringa? While moringa is safe for most people, there are a few precautions. Pregnant women should avoid moringa bark or root extracts, as they may stimulate contractions. People on blood pressure or blood sugar medication should consult a doctor, as moringa may enhance their effects. Avoid high doses of moringa seeds or root, as they may contain toxic compounds. Always start with small amounts and observe your body's response. So there you have it. Moringa isn't just another trendy health supplement. It's a time-tested superfood backed by science and used for centuries in natural medicine. From protecting your heart to enhancing your skin, balancing hormones to boosting energy, this miracle tree truly does it all. That's all for today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please share it with your friends and family. You never know who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected, stay inspired, and let nature's healing power guide your wellness journey. See you in the next video.